Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Questco employee account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can easily log into your employee account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type in Questco employee login and hit on enter. After you do so, main results will be on your screen. Click on the link which says Questco. And now this will take you to the official login site of Questco. And here you can see that it has loaded up on my screen, where now you need to input your username and password to continue to your account. But in case you forgot your username or password, you can use this button down below to help you reset or retrieve it. And if you are not already a part of Questco, you can use this button register to help you sign up on it. Now just input your username and password and then hit on login, and then you'll be logged in into your Questco employee account. And that's how you can log in into your Questco employee account. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.